my biggest thing was like, I could live a life that's average, or I can say, I'm gonna bet on me, and the best thing I tell you can always do is bet on you, because if you don't take a risk, if you play small, you'll stay small. If you don't take no risk, you don't get no reward. So what you get when you get a mentor is you get to learn from their mistakes. I take 6 years and I collapse it into 6 months. And a lot of people don't understand that. You can learn from your mistakes. I don't tell people you can't figure it out on your own, but what I'm telling you is the sooner you get to your dream life, the longer you get to enjoy it. So why not collapse time instead of trying to go through all that? People be taking 20 years for what could take you 2 years, and you're always gonna pay.
Okay, I walk like money, smell like a chick. I come through this bitch and make a whole loser, bro. Nigga, what you having? Got your net worth on my neck. This is not as I what, this is strictly VVS.
Hey, bro, so listen, man, let them know who you are, bro, like so far, like this. And so listen, so where you originally from?
I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
Exactly.
I've been in Atlanta for 3 years now. I always say Boston raised me, Atlanta pays me. Darius business, I help entrepreneurs start growing, scale their business by leveraging credit. So for me, I help you get the bag, flip the bag, help you start, grow, and scale your business, and I mean all three. I start my morning out every morning. I tell people the way I start my morning is I wake up, be grateful, and if I ever got an attitude, I just look out, because I come from mom's crib basement, and to now we oversee the city. So I tell people like anything is possible, but a lot of times the biggest reason people can't get to the next level is because they're in their own heads. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? They might see you, they might see me, they're like, damn, I don't know if I can get there, but it's like, no, you gotta have that vision first. Right? I said you gotta see it before you seize it. You gotta dream. I remember back home, I used to like draw like a vision board, write on pictures. I see penthouses, Lambos. I'm like, I'm broke as shit right now, but one day I won't be. But putting that work, kept getting in the room, getting around people like yourself. Yeah. Just, I would say if you stay in that environment, you stay around the fire, then you get hot.
When it was, you was in what kind of car you had? You posted a picture, bro. You posted that picture.
Yeah, and that wasn't even a first one. I just can't find my first one. I had a Hyundai Tiburon. I had a Toyota. I had every car. This shit was breaking down. But my first DC car was a Mustang.
Right? You know, school shooter.
Yeah, school shooter. A Mustang with the red guts, little stickers on it. Yeah, 10 years ago. Yep.
Damn. I want to hear your story on you coming to Atlanta with nothing, right? Mm-hmm. You came from the mama basement. Yep. Okay, and you saw the vision on connecting with certain people.
100%. I say, like I tell people, you're one relationship away from changing your life. I like that shit.
This shit's so deep, bro. Like, he came down and positioned himself. See, but people don't understand. Like, they say you gotta rebrand. Sometimes in life you gotta reposition yourself.
Reposition.
You feel
and
me?
Realign, most importantly. A lot of people are in alignment with what they're trying to do. Like, you trying to make 6-7 figures, but you hanging with people who only having $50,000 conversations. So I think alignment was the most important thing for me. When I came out here, I came on a win, bro. Right. I went to a conference out here 3.5 years ago. I went to the conference and I was like, I seen Lambos, I seen penthouses, and it's not about the material stuff. I don't want the people to think it's just about that.
100%.
But being a young black boy from the hood,
that's just a lot.
I'm like, I need that, So I seen it and I was like, bro, I don't know what these people are doing, but I gotta get around it. So I went back home, I told my mom, I said, hey, I'm moving to Atlanta. She like, stop playing. Came back out here, looked at apartments, nigga. I was out of there like a month. I'm like, oh, gone. And since I've been out here, bro, it's just connecting. It's like, you know something I don't know. I know stuff you don't know. Iron sharpens iron. Like, if I'm around somebody who can't add no value, now neither one of us is wrong, or only pouring into. A lot of people, they think they're in a circle, but they're in the case and they're pouring into everybody else. So the biggest thing is relationships.
So you came to a mastermind event,
yes,
where you're actually doing now yourself.
Yeah, I know. I said 3 years, a lot changed. First, that's what I say. First you see it, then you seize it, because you gotta go, you gotta get around it. And what happens is eventually, okay, tunnel vision, right? A lot of people, they're too distracted. I have blinders on. What are they doing? What's working? And a lot of people, they don't want to pay for information, which is what you were just talking about. Yeah. But I feel like people who don't pay attention. So I started paying mentors. Show me the back end. Because you can see the front end, but there's some shit you can't see the back end. So when you pay, you get direct access, like he said. And one of the best things you get is relationships. So 3 years later, we coached over 2,500 people. We helped over 81 people make 6 and 7 figures in their business. We funded over $40 million. So it's dope, man.
Yeah. I want you to tell them they don't have to, and it can be different businesses But it'll come to the mastermind
100%.
and get the game and apply the game to their business, right?
100%.
So give us some details on it, like
for sure.
Like how can they do
a lot of people think like I said, some people know me for funding, so you think, oh, I'm in the funding business. But no, we coach people in all different businesses. I help people in real estate. I help people with digital products. I help people who do credit repair. We help people who do taxes, Airbnb. Because at the end of the day, business principles are all the same, right? It goes God, family, then marketing. If you're not marketing, you're not making money. A lot of people are the best at what they do, but they're the best kept secret, right? So what I do is, one of the plays we do is we teach you how to leverage OPA, other people's audience. One of the best ways is smart. Talk about people like Corey.
smart.
He already got the audience, right? So what we can do is, even if I'm starting off and I don't got no followers, I can go leverage him. There's no like trust, and they trust him. So when he tell them come shop with me, now they coming to see what I got going on, see if I got that content. Now they shop with me. And that's one of the biggest ways we've been able to blow up our brand and help hundreds of others do the same. Another thing is podcasts. Because podcasts, they already have subscribers, they already have a cult-like following.
Right.
So what you do is, I tell people, the thing is, you got to give away game now. A lot of people go in and try to hold back. They operate with a scarcity mindset. But if you're not giving away no game, they just think you suck. So when people try to hold back, I'm like, don't do that. So I tell them I have a power 5. Any podcast, I'm giving 5 plays away. I'm telling them how to go find the content. I'm telling them what banks to go to. I'm telling them how they put their systems, because when they leave that podcast, I need them to say, nah, boy, he's really who he say he is.
Yeah, they actually really applied it and got games from it.
That's it. And a lot of what I tell you is communities. Go to other people's communities. A lot of people are coaches, consultants. They got already programs. So I can go in their program with people who already paid the premium, which means they're good shoppers, and I leverage their community. Now I can go make money from there. So those are 3 things y'all can do to really get busy on marketing tips.
Okay, I walk like money, smell like a chick. I come through this bitch and make a whole loser, bro.
Hey, you ever having a bad day? Bad day turned to a good day over here, man.
Oh, I didn't even pay attention to it. I
I didn't even check it out last time. Yeah. So
that's right. It's supposed to be summertime, springtime.
Good little vibe. I see the difference. So I'm coming from up north, and I tell people like, up north, everyone always complains. Seems like everybody mad. I truly believe one of the reasons is the sun. When you got the sun, everybody in a better mood. Everybody, just getting to it.
You know that's real though, because the sun is our energy.
Cool.
Hey, so back to Darius, man. That's enough of me talk. I want to ask you this more his story. So, bro, give the people some motivation, right? My channel, my people. Tell them like some of the struggle that you had to face, bro, to get to where you at today. And like, what is the main 3 things that kept you from giving up?
Honestly, I always was the person like, I know 50 Cent said, get rich or die trying. That's how I felt, bro. So, 3 years ago, I was living in my mom's house, right? 29 years old. I had moved back in. As a man in America, 29 is your mom's crib. You could say that they say you a bum.
Yeah, you a bum.
They used to call me Jody from Baby Boy. They had all the jokes in the world, but now ain't shit funny. And I always say that sometimes you gotta go through what you go through, bro. So for me, I had failed 6 different businesses, and during the pandemic, I was actually in the nightlife before pandemic started. And during the pandemic, I had got down to my last $1,000.
What you mean it was a nightlife?
So I used to promote. I used to throw parties.
Okay, you throw parties. Yeah. And, so name these 6 businesses that failed.
For sure, I had a drop shipping business, Facebook ad agency, did solar, trained athletes. I did sales. I was a sales rep, and then I started my own content team. Doing a content agency work.
He did a lot.
Yeah, we tried a lot and a little bit.
But I was so crazy you say that, not to cut you off. I just saw a video where Mike Epps said something. Mike Epps said the key to life, the secret to life is keep trying.
That's it.
Try different shit. So you try it, it don't work. Okay, cool. You try it, it don't work. Okay, try it, it don't work. But you might try that 5th thing and it might take you to the next level.
And you gotta fail fast. A lot of people, they're afraid to fail, which is why they never move. For me, I always understand I'm gonna fail fast, because by the time a person who overthinks, they think themselves out of their spot. I already failed 6 things and still got to the first, and they still think it. And like I said, it's all lessons. Like I learned stuff from drop shipping. I learned stuff from running the ad agency. I learned, okay, I need funny, right, to do all this shit. I gotta learn how to leverage other people. So you learn all of these skill sets. So by the time you actually go out and win, you're so hip to what's really going on, because you see what doesn't work. Now things you understand what does work and how to execute. And a lot of times I tell people, like, if I would have won 5 years ago, I wouldn't. If God would have gave me the blessing He gave me now 5 years ago, I would have blew it. Why? I wasn't the person yet. So we be like, God, why I'm not winning yet? I've been working hard. I'm 29, why it's not working? Now I see, okay, He said I had to put you through some things so you could be prepared when I give you the money. So, anyone out there, I tell you, it don't matter your situation. I was down to my last $1,000, moved back in my mom's crib, but I reset, reevaluated, and my biggest thing was like, I could live a life that's average, or I can say I'm gonna bet on me. And the best thing I tell you can always do is bet on you, because if you don't take a risk, you know, if you play small, you'll stay small. And if you don't take no risk, then you don't get no reward.
Fast. And it's crazy because like I say, like the thing is, when you say you moved back in with your mom at the age 29 and you had to reset, it's so powerful that I make sure I push people so hard to this. The reset is your mindset.
Mm-hmm.
Now you got to go in and actually gain new knowledge so that you can go out into the real and conquer what you actually chasing. But the thing is, what you said is, well, like what you said you went back in, came back out. You learned, you had 6 different businesses.
Yeah.
And what I took from that is this, that a lot of people didn't take from that. Imagine all the knowledge you have on each of these different businesses. Now, just because you're not doing it no more, you still have the knowledge, right?
100%.
So now you're doing this, and you just add that knowledge to everything else you're giving out, and that's it's like just because it didn't work out for you, doesn't mean it might not work out for somebody else who will try. And you giving them the game to give them a head start to get there.
So what you get when you get a mentor is you get to learn from their mistakes. So all the L's I take 6 years and I collapse it into 6 months, and a lot of people don't understand that. You can learn from your mistakes. I don't tell people you can't figure it out on your own, but what I'm telling you is the sooner you get to your dream life, the longer you get to enjoy it. So why not collapse time instead of trying to go do all that? People be taking 20 years for what could take you 2 years, but you're always gonna pay. That's the thing. You're gonna pay me, or you're gonna pay life.
One way or another, you gonna pay.
Exactly.
That's a funny shit. You gonna pay a mentor, or you gonna pay all the mistakes that you gonna have to pay for.
That's a fact.
You know what I'm saying? Lose a lot of money, lose a lot of time, a lot of friendships, like waste energy with a lot of people.
And I think it's important for them to know, though, during that time where I did a reset, like for someone out there who's looking to do a reset, like what should that entail?
Yeah.
And the first thing I tell you to do is you gotta cut off people who got stinking thinking, bro.
100%.
Like we be worried about our day ones. Oh, I grew up with bro, I know sis, but they'll hold your ass back and you not realize it because you feel like you owe them something.
I'm gonna say this.
Yeah.
They still at day one.
Facts. No bullshit. They still at day one.
And that's when you have to let them people go, bro, because you on day 30, they on day 1. And you try to get to day 30 to 31, they try to pull you back. You feel what I'm saying? I done been through that, bro. And like, that's something I feel like a lot of people have to like prepare for, bro. Because when it comes, it hurts.
It hurts.
It hurts, bro. It's like, fuck, like, and you feel bad because you feel like, you know, so you want to break it. And you really want to see these people win.
Absolutely.
But they just don't want it as bad as you want it.
You can't want it more for somebody than they want it for themselves. I say, listen, I could bring you to the water, I could bring you to the well, but you gotta go out there and get it yourself.
You gotta put the water up, man. Like I remember I had friends around me, but I was giving them books, and I was like, cause it's like I knew what I wanted them to do. I was paying them and everything. Yeah. But I was planting certain seeds that I know that if they actually apply what I'm giving them,
it's a wrap.
They gonna gain more than what they think they can gain just me talking to them.
100%.
But I watching them niggas, they wanna sleep in the book on the side, they ain't reading the
play
book.
games all night.
I'm just like, but every time I ask you for this, ask you for that, so I had to really cut through some of my day ones, bro.
100%.
And to this day, I love them to death.
Yeah.
I fought with them, but it's like I just can't have you next to me because you're a liability.
Exactly.
Whether you know or not.
Yeah. And sometimes it's not even that. Sometimes it's not that you can't take them. It's just not their time yet.
Yeah.
I think oftentimes when like God give us blessings, we think He said, "I'm giving all y'all blessings." No, He said it's your time, right? And I always say, focus on you too. Right. Focus is on you because by you becoming the best version of you, you probably got some friends who had to watch you from afar and then say, I seen where Corey came from, I know where he's at, so let me now turn it on. Sometimes you got to go win first for them to be able to see
that makes sense. Yeah. That makes plenty of sense, man. That's real. Me and Darius coming up with a challenge that we're going to do, and he going to partner with me. It's going to be a 5-day challenge. You guys will be able to come to us in person and actually learn a lot. So give them a little game, man, on like what they can expect from this because I'm definitely excited as hell for it. I'm excited to actually put my hands and connect with some of my supporters and really watch y'all to take y'all life to the next level. So get them a little game, man.
The 5-day challenge is gonna be crazy. What I actually did is this Corey's first challenge, but the boy got that talent, so he definitely gonna turn up. Actually, my brother Dion gonna do it with us too. So it's hard. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be breaking down everything from A to Z on how to start, grow, and scale. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to go out and get the bag, right? A lot of people, the number one problem we run into as business owners, content creators, personal brands is not having the money, right? Corey's gonna be doing it. He's gonna be showing you how to get busy on the marketing side, YouTube, content, how to attract, right? And then my brother D, he gonna come on and show you how to fix that credit. And then all of us collectively, we're gonna show you how to monetize this. But we could just show you how to get the money and marketing. No, we gotta show you how to sell. How do I create offers that actually help people get a transformation? You know, like I said, If you don't learn a high income skill, you will always work with somebody who does. If you don't learn to leverage that, you will always work with somebody who does. So if you're looking to be in that top 10%, man, I advise you get in the room, man. We bring 3 millionaires, real 7-figure business owners to the table who's gonna be breaking down step by step. So I would say use me. Right? If you're not being used, you're useless. Use him. Use my other brother. Use the hell out of us that week, man. And we hoping that when y'all get in the room, y'all gonna leave with 6 or 7 figures worth of game.
I mean, shit, we here for y'all to use us. So use us. You know, a lot of people just be scared to get in the room. A lot of people be scared to invest the money. And the thing about it, it's so crazy because y'all would never know that it's like, but we turn away money.
Facts. Literally.
Like, no, like, I don't get it. Like, bro, I turn away so much money, bro, because money is not worth my peace.
Facts.
You feel me? So it's like, I only accept money from people who I know that it's worth my peace. It's like, okay, I'm going to go actually take this and go apply it. So it's like, man, y'all got to understand how important, how important is it having a mentor?
It's the number one thing you can do. I'm going to tell you the truth. If you don't have a mentor, you just hate money. Think about it. People use a GPS to go to the same grocery store that's right down the street, and they live in the same neighborhood their whole lives.
That's a fact.
But for some reason, when it comes to business, people think I'm about to just figure
it out.
You don't even know what you don't know that you don't know. Like, you don't even know what to Google or YouTube. And the thing is, I tell people, like, you can try to do the YouTube learning. I tried it. YouTube University, we think we're going to get rich, but here's the difference between YouTube and when you get a coach. You get redirection, certainty, and clarity. It's like, I like to say, it's like when a kid first try to ride a bike, why is the parent right there? They gotta make sure they don't bust their head open, right? Now, granted, when you have a mentor, you're still going to go through some growing pains, but now you have someone who can say, no, don't do that. I need you to go here. And what that does is it collapses 10 years into 1 year. So if you don't got a mentor, then you just hate money. And if your mentor don't got a mentor, then there shouldn't be a mentor.
Can't be a mentor.
He said he's constantly learning. I'm constantly learning. I just invested another $30,000 into a new program to learn some new things that can take my business from 7 figures to 8 figures. So it's like, you gotta constantly be learning. The moment you stop learning is the moment you stop earning. So
you need to get a mentor. You don't have to start off trying to spend a lot of money to get a mentor. A mentor will be your uncle, somebody in your life that's successful, that's gonna guide you the right way. And as you taking the next step going to life, take that bag and get around other successful people that actually make you 7 to 10 figures. And like, I've made a lot of money, I've lost a lot of money. I went through the pain, I went through the struggle, you feel me? I've been up, I've been down, went back up, you know what I mean? So it's like, and I did it at such a young age. I'm 27 years old. How old are you, by the way?
I'm 32.
So you're 32, I'm 27. So that just shows y'all age ain't nothing but a number.
Yeah, that's a fact.
Age ain't nothing but a number.
Even how you start is how you finish. A lot of people might be watching this and they might think, oh, they're relatively young. The reality is, if you don't matter if you're 50, it don't matter if you're 60. The average millionaire, if you look at it right now, is 62. So I know I don't want nobody to be discouraged. And one thing he said was, don't start off paying super high amounts for mentorship, which is why we're doing a 5-day mentorship for less than $100 a day. Y'all can tap in because we understand that we want to. It's like when people go to the mall, right? You go to the food buffet, the food area, and I always say the Chinese food spot been there for years.
Fact.
Everywhere else, you know, see them swap out, but the Chinese food, they've been there.
They
Why?
stay.
Because they give you samples of what you're gonna get. So that's what we're really gonna be doing over Fridays. We're gonna be giving y'all an exact sample of what it's like to work with us. We're really gonna be able to show y'all how to get from where you are to where you want to go, and it's a start. Because most people, 90% of success is just showing up. Most people never start, which is why they can't get to their dream life.
Yeah. Man, this is so. Real quick, get him some game before we go. I'm gonna take y'all. I want y'all to go check out his man and stuff. Real quick. Hey, just give him a little, you know what I'm saying? View of how you living, bro. Like let them see it. So real quick, let them know exactly how to get in contact with you real quick and what to actually how to lock in with you to get on your team and learn from you.
100%. 100%. So I'm on Darius Fitness on all platforms. On Instagram, y'all can just DM me So Smooth, right? Yeah. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give y'all some free games. So I do a free workshop, free mastermind, where I'm breaking down the credit secrets, right? Credit to cash. I tell you how to get the credit and then turn it and leverage it to be able to create cash flow. So everything from building your credit to understanding what banks are pulling from what bureaus, understand how to go access 0% introductory funding, and understand most importantly what to put this money into once you get the money, right? 82% of small business owners fail in the first 5 years, and the number one reason is due to lack of capital. So all I am is I'm the person I needed 5 years ago, so I want to be that for y'all, man. So make sure y'all tap in with your boy.
Yeah.
I'm Brady. When I walk through this bitch, I make a nigga grab his lady. How that nigga went up 10 years with 3 babies. Diamonds in the chain like disco dance like the 80s. Jump inside this year, make Harris County chase. I've been on my shit just cause I'm.
And I tell y'all, this is a gem for any of y'all. Like, manifestation is real. Like, I always say, see it, touch it, obtain it, right? Before I caught my lamb, I was renting Lambos when I go to different cities.
Me too, all the time.
Houston, Atlanta, Miami. Before I caught my IP, same thing, I was renting. I tell anybody, you can go to what they call it, housing events in the city. Go look at $1 million houses. You'll see. You ain't gotta have no certain amount of money to go look. They might look at you funny, but fuck them. Like, go look, go touch it, and then one day it'll be yours. Same with your car. Go drive it. You stay at hotels. Go stay at some nice shit, even if it's out of your range right now. Because one day it won't be out of your range. But you gotta see it first.